Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to easily create a charming decoration using 12-inch latex balloons and without using helium. Today, we'll make a balloon flower together. Here's what you'll need. 5 balloons in one color for the petals. And 2 balloons in a different color, they will form the center of the flower and help keep it stable. Let's get started. Inflate the first 2 balloons to your chosen size. I use about 9 inches. Tie them together. Then do the same with the next pair of balloons and tie them as well. Remember to inflate the balloon slightly more than needed, then gently press them and let out a little air. This way, the balloons become rounder and the entire flower will look neater. Attach the 5th balloon to one of the balloon pairs. In this video, you see a color combination that's perfect for a baby shower or a first birthday, for a boy or a girl. But if you change the colors to white petals with a gold center, you'll get a perfect decoration for a communion, christening, wedding, or reception. And if you use bright, colorful balloons, the flower will make a great addition to any birthday party. Once all the petals are ready, twist them together just like I show in the video. Next, inflate 2 smaller balloons. I make them about 7 inches and tie them tightly. This will form the center of the flower and will also keep the petals in place. And that's it. Your balloon flower looks beautiful. Cherry blossom. Have any questions? Leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss more ideas for balloon decorations and fun balloon activities.